Grand Rising Kings and Queens. It's 9 Millie and I'm back with another vlog. Hopefully I wasn't just covering the microphone, but another day getting to another dollar. It's a big time travel day for me today, and kind of on a rush for time because yesterday's truck mishap put me back some hours. Well, I always wanted to get started at 4 o'clock in the morning. I got started after 10 o'clock. So, yeah. Supposedly I get breakdown pay, but I'm not sure if they're gonna pay me for all of it. I'm in the negotiations about that right now. They're trying to pay me 3 hours instead of the 6. I ain't okay with that, you feel me? Oh, they're gonna make trucking. I almost was working for them. But somebody I had a pre-offer letter for and decided not to go with. I'm glad I didn't, because PTI is where I'm at, and I really do appreciate them as a company so far. Especially my first company, I'm learning a lot. So yeah, just another day getting to it, y'all. I'm about 2.5, 3 hours away from my destination for the day, and I already have a load lined up for after this one. So we'll see if I make it all on time and shit. I definitely make this drop off in time, but I don't know how much time I have left on my clock. That's what I'm chasing right now. That's what I'm trying to stay in front of. I got like 4.5 hours left, and I'm like 3 hours away or so. And I'm not exactly sure where I need to go after this run either. I told myself I'll just deal with that once I get to this drop off. I ain't gonna worry myself with it right now. No unnecessary stress on myself, you feel me? I'm starting this like I go somewhere. I'm on my little 30-minute break. I take a 30-minute break within the first 8 hours of driving. And this is it, man. I've been going since I've been going since 2:30 this morning. 2:35 is when I clocked on. 2:32. So this is what it is, yo. Man, tired of it, bro. Every fucking trip I've been running behind on, like no leeway in between. Like, I don't know. Just dealing with this truck and dealing with these trailers, man. It's not been fun. That's just what you call eating crow. So I can get into something new and shit. So we'll see. Stay tuned. I got about 20 minutes left on my little break, so I'm gonna go ahead and close my eyes for a little bit, set this alarm, and I'll holler at y'all later. I'll holler later. Alright, finally made it here. I got, let's see, I got an hour 52 minutes left of drive time, and I have to drive 75 miles for the next little piece of the puzzle. This lady just told me to pull over here, but I don't understand how she thinks she's gonna get the forklift up there. So I'm thinking I may have to go down, turn around, and then pull up to that dock. Let me go ask her. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna have to pull up to the dock. Here we go, here we go. Alright, y'all, stay tuned. I'll be back. Peace. Alright, it's been about an hour, and I went over there. I was chilling in the truck the whole time. I decided to go see how far along is he, because I think I showed y'all yesterday, but it ain't that many. Like, he should have been done by now. So I went back to hear him talking on the phone to somebody saying that they use very small pallets, like low to the floor pallets, so he doesn't have enough room to get his pallet jack under there. So he said he's waiting on somebody to get here to help him out, figure something out. But they can't get the pallet jack under there. They got a forklift to get it off the truck, but the forklift can't get on the truck, you feel me? So it's gonna be interesting. I do know, like I said, I'm about an hour here, so killing my time up. Let's see how much time I got left on my 14. I got 2 hours and 49 minutes left on my 14. 1 hour 52 minutes on my drive time 11-hour clock. So I do remember seeing a Love's not far from here when I came in, so if need be, I might have to go there tonight. But we'll see. We'll see. I'll be optimistic. His homeboy just got here, so hopefully they'll be done pretty soon. Holla. Peace. It's looking like I'm gonna be hopefully making it there within the hour. Hopefully. I'm hoping. I found a Love's that's like 18 miles away. Or 17 miles away, I should say 18 minutes. I'm hoping I can make it there, and it's some parking, man. I've been here 2.5 hours right now and counting. I hear some thunder coming in, so it sounds like it's gonna storm. Oh man, which is because I'm so late today doing this. It's looking like I'm gonna be late for tomorrow's drop-off. I already reached out to my driver manager to let her know, see what she says, but I can't do nothing about it, man. At this point, it's looking like I'll get to park around 5, a little after 5, which means I can't get on the road to around 3. And that's gonna cut it real close to the drop-off, which is 260 miles away. Not from here, but from where I need to be. So I'm gonna have to chill here, closer to here tonight at this truck stop. Get up early in the morning as soon as I can, go switch out trailers, drop this empty, pick up a full, and then drive that 4 hours to its destination. And if I'm getting started at 3 o'clock, it's gonna be cutting it real close to be able to get that done on time. I don't know what's going on, man, why they take it so long, but I need to get going straight up. Go see what's up, man. Like they grab ass in the shit. Yes, dudes. Ain't no females involved. Stay tuned, y'all. Uh-oh, the rain that moved in. They on the last pallet. Let's see if they get it off. Let's take a look.
Because everything else is just sliding on the wood.
Alright, so let's figure out my method. Look at this thing moving to roll away.
You better get
Of course it's not. Yeah, probably right on the fucking lip. You got those forklift extensions? I didn't gonna do shit. Well, at least to lift it up so I can get it. Yeah, it's over there by the door. Yeah, right there.
The good thing is this major storm you're hearing is actually going to stay south of us about 5 miles, so we won't get it.
Damn, man, I'm cutting it close, man. I got 36 minutes left on my clock, y'all. 36 damn minutes. I made it. It was like 3 spots that I saw. Actually 2 spots, but that one just opened up and Buddy just took it that fast. Man, I told you his loves be filling up fast. And look, 8 minutes. Damn, can't really see it good. I don't know why it's so blurry. 8 minutes left on my clock. So let me go ahead and bust out this post trip and clock out. And get some rest, man. Take a shower, get some rest, get ready for tomorrow. It's gonna be another long driving day. Really long driving day at that. But anyway, thanks for rocking with me on this gut-wrenching work that I'm doing right now. Go ahead and hit that like button if you didn't already, and come back tomorrow for another realist installation of the realist vlog on YouTube. Thanks for rocking with me. See y'all tomorrow. Y'all see me tomorrow. Peace.